friends, it's David Badger with Recreation RV here on the shores of I-15. Here to show you a special unicorn that landed in this tight spot here. This, my friends, is a 2008 Winnebago. It's the Journey 34Y. Here you have a diesel pusher. Let's see if I can get a better angle. It's only 34 feet long. This has the Cummins 6.7. So it's a 350 horse diesel pusher on the Freightliner chassis, the Allison 6-speed transmission. Look at this condition, 67,000 miles, a few less than that actually, but this is a super rare find here at Recreation RV for $110,000, way below book. I wanted you to hurry and see it so you can be the first to come start your summer fun. 3 slides. One is a giant wall slide, and you've got the bedroom slide and another lounge side, which I'll show you when we get inside. Full body paint, in very good shape. We've got a little bit of rain on there. This actually has the basement AC, so everything's ducted through that basement. Show you a couple of these while we can get access. There's your battery compartment. So you got 4 house batteries, 2 engine batteries. The tires are less than 2 years old. I do love this awning. So this is a power patio awning. There's also a patio power door awning on the other side. A little more storage right here, which is great, helpful. It's just going to be propane. Your onboard propane system. It does have the outdoor entertainment system, so you've got a big flat screen TV and a stereo inside on this slide right here. A little more storage I think we can grab. Maybe tire chains. Hope you don't need that. I'd be going south right now. Anyway, well cared for, super strong, super clean. And again, in this market, to find a diesel pusher, it's only 34 feet. You can get into any campground, national park, attraction. Let's jump inside, away from our friends on I-15. Show you what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Inside, it just opens up with this wall slide. So that's going all the way from the master, all the way right here behind the driver's seat. So this is a very functional table. That's going to fold out, pull out. You've got extra chairs in the closet. Here's your entertainment. And they got this mid-galley, which is super nice. True Corian, stainless steel sink, matching appliances, the microwave convection, as well as the 4-door, and that is the Norcold RV fridge freezer. So you can be off the grid. And then here in the center is also the bath. So the woodwork, all the upgrades, Winnebago, of course, granddaddy of all motorhomes, still in business today. I do like that big surround, a little bit of a tub in there actually. Here's your control center. It does have solar panels. I can see they're charging right there. Here's your slide controls, obviously your generator start. This generator is the Onan 8000, so the Onan has only 430 hours on it. Here you can control your air, again, the central air through the basement. Now this is a feature because it's a king size bed. You got to be 40 feet plus typically to get that king size bed. If you're going to spend much time in here, you'll be interested to know that it does have the wiring, the pre-wire and the plumbing for the washer dryer. So that would be a combo unit. Could probably even put a stackable in here if you needed to, but plenty of room for the combo. Another TV here in the master. And again, that slide is what just makes everything so huge. So it's small, but it's spacious. It's powerful. It's beautiful. And it is going to make someone a great vacation, second home. Just hit the road. Oh, this is very cool because this is powered. This is a powered sofa. So this is both going to recline or it's going to pull all the way out. There's a bottom piece that comes out, and that makes into a small bed as well. So really nice. This is the leather feel, all in good shape. One little poke on the passenger side. The driver's side, super clean. Not seen any rips, tears, abrasions. Again, on the Freightliner. Allison transmission, air ride suspension. Looks like an aftermarket camera system. That's great. 67,000 miles. Power fans, power shades. I love how much room we got here. We got a power step cover. Everything you would expect in something of this quality. Again, in very good shape. This is, again, a 2008 Winnebago Journey, $110,000. Right now, you can come see it at Recreation RV Sales. Get to the phone number. In Draper, Utah. Give us a call, go online. You won't be sorry. Thanks for watching.